Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In the previous tutorial, we have shown you about how make your WordPress site is compatible with AMP or Accelerate Mobile Page. And in here, we will show you about how to insert Google Adsense into your AMP page. You can see here, this is my AMP page and contain a Google Adsense advertisement in here. To insert Google Adsense for AMP page, you can go to plugin and add new. Please type in here add inserter, and you can install add inserter here, but in here I already activate and install, so we need to go to settings and click add inserter. Go to this settings and you can see here, go to header, and you must using this add inserter AMP and put the script below the shortcode like this. And then you must go to footer and create auto ads from your Google AdSense account and paste in here using add inserter AMP shortcode and paste in below. Script below add inserter AMP will execute in AMP page like this, but script in above add inserter AMP shortcode will execute as a normal page. After that, you can click this tail green to enable. Then the last, you can click save settings and wait until 2 times 24 hours and see your AMP. And just be patient, your ads will appear like this. Voila. Thanks for watching and bye bye.